Alright, Rajan. So, like today, I will not talk about much about this strategy. So, I'm just going to show like a quick trade recap actually. But then, I personally did not take this trade, so I cannot do to show you. But then, like, I'm just here to show you how you could have just taken this trade using the 714 method strategy. You see. So let me just remove the drone so that I can show you real quick. So guys, you must pay attention on this video if you want to learn more about this strategy. You see. So first thing first, as you all know that you go to your 5 minutes time frame, ne? Then on a 5 minutes time frame, you mark what your 1 p.m. South African time, just like this with a vertical line. Then when you are done, you are going to take another vertical line and then mark what your 2 p.m. just like this. You see, so then you identify the market market direction from what time from 1 to 2. In this case, you can see that the market was going up from 1 to 2 p.m. South African time. So we expect the market to do what to go back to go down around 2. You see, so guys, just to say this thing, this is how I personally trade it. I don't know about you all, but then this is how I personally trade the 714 method. You see, then when you're done marking your your thing, so your time range 1 to 2, then you're going to identify your turning points. What do I mean by your turning points? Your actually take profits where you are supposed to take profit or any other things. You see, so I identified this order block. You see, it's my what? It's my what? Take profit. 5 minutes order block as my take profit. Yeah, well. So what I did here, guys, like I saw the market that was going up from 1 to 2, ne? Then exactly from 2 o'clock, I went to my 1 minute time frame. Ne? After going to 1 minute time frame, guys, you look for what a market structure shift plus the fair value gap or any other entry model that you choose. Some of you all may use what a trend line break and retest strategy, but then I personally use what fair value gaps and what order blocks as my entry. Yabo. So in this case, as you can see over here, we have what a last break of structure to the upside on what on 1 minute time frame. Ne? Then what did it do? The market broke the structure here, creating a market structure shift around quarter to 2. Then over here, the market created what a break of structure to the downside. You see. So after creating this break of structure to the downside, we have had what an order block over here, which is this last bullish candlesticks before the impulse move downwards. You see. So when it's like this, simply you're going to take your what your your entry here. Immediately the market taps your what your order block, then stop loss above your order block like this. Then your TP1 is going to be what? This lows over here inside the range. This is going to be your take profit one. See, I'm on USDT, guys. Then TP2, remember what I said. My TP2 is on what? On that 5 minutes, what? On that 5 minutes order block, which is this one over here. Then my TP2 is going to be right here. You see? So basically this trade was what? 1:5 RR. So as you can see over here, like this thing is simple, guys. So this is the simplest strategy of them all. If you have been like struggling with forex, I highly suggest you to use this strategy because like it is the easiest and simplest. Yeah, well, yeah, so easy. But then imagine if you held your trade, ne? If you held your trade for sales, look, guys, this is too much. You see, so like yeah, this is how you could have like went into the market when you are trading USDT today using this famous 714 method. You see, this is how I personally trade it. Yeah. So let's check gold right now and see what gold did on this 714 method. See the restart chart view. First thing first, guys. Let me just remove the drawing. First thing first, you mark a what? 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. candlestick using what? Our vertical line. See, first thing first, check a vertical line over here. You mark a what? Your one. Your one is here. Then you take another vertical line, you mark what the two, which is over here. You see. So then you identify the market direction. In this case, you can see that what the market was going down from 1 to 2. So you expect the market to do what to go up from 2. But then how do you enter the market? You simply go to a 1 minute time frame, just like this. You see. So after going to a 1 minute time frame, you look for what? For entries. And if you can check over here, we had our what? Our last break of structure to the what? To the downside, which is this one over here. Then what? A market structure shift over here, followed by what? Followed by a breaker block. We have a breaker block over here. You see, here's our breaker block. So you wait for the market to tap into your breaker block before buying the market. And as you can see here, the market did what? Tapped into our breaker block. Then what did it do? It went up. So TP could have been this high over here. 1 to 3 RR. You see? So this is how you simply treat the method, guys. So like tell me down in the comments whether you like this video or not. You see, and also don't forget to subscribe there and also like this video. You see, let's go to 10K subscribers. That chance, yeah, well, before December. Away. So okay, right now we are on like a USDJPY. Let me just remove my drawings real quick. So first thing first, as we all know, you go to what 5 minutes time frame. After going to 5 minutes time frame, you take your vertical line like this. Where is my vertical line? Okay, so guys, okay, you take your vertical line like this. Yeah? You mark your what, your 1 p.m. South African time, which is this one, 1 p.m. Then you mark your what, your 2. So here the market was what was consolidating. Remember what I said on my previous video. I said when the market is consolidating, it does not matter. As long as you understand what the method, you're going to get what right entries or anything else. Yeah. So when it's like this, you go to what 1 minute time frame. What did I say? You wait for a market structure shift plus the fair value gap in order to enter your trades. So in this case, you can see that we have what our our high, which is this one over here. Then what our low, which is this one over here. The market went up, tried to go up over here, but then it failed to break what, to break this high over here, which we can call this one what, our SMT, or not on 1 minute time frame. Let me just say S, yeah, on our 1 minute time frame. Then what did it do? It went to our fair value gap, 1 minute fair value gap. It tapped in it. Then what did it do? It went down, as you can see over here. It tapped here. Then what? It went down. So TP could have been what, this low over here. You see, simple trade, guys. So yeah, let's check our NASDAQ, then another pair, then I wrap up these things. Yeah. So okay, let's check NASDAQ. So I'm here on my NASDAQ chart right now. So what will you do on your NASDAQ chart? You're going to take a vertical line like this. After taking your vertical line, you mark what, your 1 p.m. South African time, which is this one over here. Then after making 1 p.m. South African time, you take another vertical line, you mark your what, your 2 p.m. South African time like this. And same story, guys. The market was consolidating. There's no clear direction whether the market was going up or was going down. But then here we can say that the market is going down because why? It broke this high over here, tapped into this order block. Then yeah, it went down. You see. So let me quickly go to my 1 minute time frame to look for what, for entries. Oh, okay. So in this case, we did not have a market structure shift or anything. So just avoid to trade here. You see, just avoid to trade. Yeah, because like there's no clear direction. So let's check our last pair, which is, let's just check EuroUSD just for vibes in actual. So 5 minutes time frame is usual. Then yeah, remove drawings. Then go to my 5 minutes time frame. Mark my what? My 1 to 2. Mark my what? My 1 to 2. So here, the market was going up. It was clear that the market was going up over here. And also, we expect the market to drop from 2, ne? But then it didn't drop, which clearly shows that this method, it does not work proper or not on EuroUSD or something. Yeah, well. So guys, yeah, this is how you you go into the market. You see, these are the type of trades that you should be looking to trade. Simple trades. You see, a clean chart is equals to huge profits. So you do not need to complicate charts or your chart or anything else, guys. See, this is how you should have encountered the market or another thing. Yeah, well, so guys, let me know in the comments whether like do you enjoy this video or what, you see. So just to freshen up your minds real quick, for those who were not here last time, let me just show you how the strategy goes. First thing first, you're going to mark your what? Your 1 p.m. South African time, then your what? Then your 2 p.m. South African time on 5 minutes like this. Then identify the trend or how does the market behave or move between these two time zones. If the market is going down from what? From 1 to 2, then we expect the market to do what? To go up from 2, you see. Or if the market was going up from what? From 1 to 2, then expect the market to go what? To go down from what? From 2. Then if the market is consolidating between 1 and 2, then we do what? Then we expect the market to either go up or to go what? To go low. Depending on the type of structure of the market or like where like there's like high frequency of liquidity or something. So I'll be dropping another video about liquidity for all those who do not understand the concept of liquidity. I will be dropping a video about liquidity maybe like on Friday or tomorrow, you see. So yeah, guys. So let's just say the market was going down from 1 to 2 like this. Ne? Then what do you do exactly? Ne? At 2 o'clock, you drop to your lower time frame. On your lower time frame, you expect to see a movement like this. Whereby here we've what our break of structure to the downside on our lower time frame. After having this break of structure to the downside, we expect the market to give us our change of character here at the top or market structure shift. Guys, remember, this is how I personally trade the method. Then over here, you're going to have a fair value gap or breaker block or any other point of interest that you use to enter the market. You see, then you are simply going to enter from what? From this AVG or other block or breaker block or anything, guys. Or maybe if you're using Fibonacci retracement, anything, then your stop loss is going to be where? Below this low. Then your TP 1 to 3 minimum. 1 to 3 RR. As you can see here, the risk reward ratio is 1 to 3. You see, so yeah, this is how you are going to enter the market. Even if the market was what? Was consolidating, or you are going to wait for movement like this. You see. So okay, let's just say the market from what? From 1 to 2, it was going up actually. If the market was going up from 1 to 2, then you know that from 2 you're going to look for selling opportunities on what? On your 1 minute time frame. Mind you, guys, this one is my 5 minutes time frame where I'm going to mark the trend. 5 minutes time frame. That's where I'll be marking my trend, whether the market is going up or the market is going down. Then from 2, you're going to look for a movement like this. Whereby here we've got a break of structure to the upside. Then here what? A market structure shift. Then what do we have here? We have what? A fair value gap or any other thing. Your point of interest of your choice. Then you're going to enter from your point of interest, targeting what? 1 to 3 stop loss here, then TP here. As simple as this. Or even if like the market is consolidating, same thing, guys. You see. So yeah. So this is how you should be trading the strategy or anything. So guys, I will see you on my next video, maybe tomorrow or yeah. Peace out, gents. Oh, before I forget, guys, there's a link there on my description or my YouTube bio. Just click that link to join my free WhatsApp group where I will be sharing setups daily, not about 714 method, but about how I trade. And also I'll be giving away like free mentorship for you all sometime around June about about the famous strategy, silver bullet strategy. So guys, stay tuned to my next videos on YouTube. Peace out.